To captivate a woman means to charm her, attract her, and also hold her interest. And once you captivate a lady, you know that she is not going anywhere. She will stick by your side and be loyal to you because you have completely grabbed her interest. You normally need to start working on captivating her at the very beginning, and it has to happen quickly. And if you know how to do this quickly, you will have better luck when it comes to women sticking around and not just dating you. So today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can captivate a woman so that you can use these tips in your real dating life to turn a one-night stand into a long-term relationship. Let's dive in deep, like and subscribe. Okay, coming in with tip number 1 is to look after yourself. Start by thinking about yourself. It's important that you look after yourself and you are the best version that you can be so that you can captivate a lady's interest. You might immediately think about dressing well and keeping fit, and yeah, they are two things that you can do to look after yourself, and so is keeping up on that personal hygiene. But it goes further than this though. You need to make sure that you have your own amazing, exciting life. And by this, I mean you have friends that you like to spend time with and do fun things with, and that you have your own goals and ambitions, your own interests and hobbies. Now, the more interesting things that you have going on in your life, the happier you are going to be, and the more interesting the stories will be that you have to tell. If you have traveled, well, you can tell her all about that, and you can tell her about all the things that you have done with your friends. You might just see these things as memories, but she sees them as life experiences and interesting stories that will captivate her. Ask for her help. This one might surprise you. You might be thinking, why would I ask her for help if I'm trying to captivate her, right? It's a good question. It works because it shows her that you need her. Women need to feel needed. They are much more emotional than men, and being needed is one of the main emotions that they strive for. And when you ask them for help, it shows them that you respect them and their opinions. It could be something as simple as asking them to help you pick out a jumper or helping you move something in your house. You don't want to be asking too much of them when you've just met them, of course, but asking them something small will help them feel like you need them. Show your funny side. Girls love funny guys, it's a fact. You may have even noticed that a lot of celebrity women date comedians. Now, there is a reason for this. When we laugh, we naturally release dopamine, which is a drug. It makes us feel happy and deeply connected to the person that we are speaking to. So if a guy is funny, she will release dopamine over and over again. And you can start showing your funny side on the first date. Try to stay away from sex jokes or jokes that can be offensive. Let it come across as natural, and you will notice you will have her captivated. Break the touch barrier. It is important, that you show her how you feel about her. She might just think that you are being nice, as girls often start by assuming that a guy does not like them. So quite early on, you should try to touch her to show her that this is a lot more than a friendship. By touching her arm as you both laugh or resting your hands on her shoulder while she tells you something is a great way to start. Don't take it too far and rush in and try to kiss her though. This will probably put her off because she will think that you are only interested in one thing. You want to make sure it's small touches that will captivate her. Give her your undivided attention. Whenever you are with her, pay attention to her and no one else. That means looking at her when she is talking to show that you are listening, replying to what she is saying with something thoughtful. It's important that you really show her that you care about her with what she is saying and that you are not interested in any other women. This will help her trust you, which is a key factor in captivating women. Slow down. Take a breath and just slow down. Sure, it's important that a woman feels captivated by you quickly at the beginning, but it does not mean that you need to rush things. So take a moment to just spend time with her and get to know who she is. Sometimes men rush through this stage to try and win her over. And once they have succeeded, they actually realize that, I don't even like her. So guys, take the time to ask her questions about herself and really listen to those answers, and then ask yourself, Do I want to captivate this woman? Facial expressions. You can tell so much by someone's facial expressions. If someone looks angry, they are probably not having the best time. If someone is smiling, they are probably having a great time. So you need to think about what your face is telling her. You want to look happy and interested, of course. So what do you need to do to make sure that you look like this? Check in every so often and think, what is my face doing? Smile, which leads us nicely to smiling. You need to smile and show that you care if you are trying to captivate a woman. You don't want to over-smile though. That is when you are talking to someone and all they seem to do is have their eyes wide open and a huge smile on their face. This is something that can put a girl off, so make sure to smile, just not too much. Hand gestures. What are your hands saying? Speaking with hand gestures can be a great way to captivate a woman. And if you are telling her an exciting story, the hand gestures will help add some theatre to that story. You don't want to use them too much though because, well, it might become slightly distracting. So try to limit them to when you are telling her really interesting stories. Fix your posture. When people slouch like this, they look like they don't really want to be there. It's as if they really don't care for that moment. They come across as closed off and very hard to crack. And a girl is not going to become captivated by a guy like this because he is just, well, too much work. You want to display more open body language. So to help with this, you can fix your posture. Make sure you are sitting up, your neck is straight and your head is up, and this will show your body off in the best light as well. Watch the way you walk. When you are walking away from a girl, think about the way you are walking. It might seem like something that is small and insignificant, but I can assure you that a girl is watching you as you walk away. So try to stand up tall and walk away with confidence. That won't be something she forgets in a hurry, and it will be something she wants to see more of. So watch how she walks away as well. Is she trying to impress you? Remember to breathe. When you are trying to captivate a lady, it can seem like you have a lot to remember. I mean, literally everything that we have spoken about in today's video. So don't be too harsh on yourself and remember to breathe when you are talking to her. And there you go, we've reached the end of the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you liked this video or if I missed something very important from today's list. I hope this video has helped you gain a deep understanding of female psychology. Until the next video, like and subscribe. And if you want your name rolling up on this board like these people's names here, then all you have to do is click the link in the description bar below. Take care, bye bye.